Hello everyone! This short tutorial will teach us to blend any text and image. First, choose the Type Text tool from the tool menu. Type a text you want to blend with another layer. Right-click on the text layer and choose Rasterize Type. Now click on the Edit tab, then select Perspective Warp, and make a rectangular selection around the text or image. Now, click on Warp and adjust the pointers according to your needs. Double-click on the text layer, then hold the Alt key or the Option key and click on the slider button, then move it towards the left. Repeat the same process with other sliders until you get better results. After completing the adjustments, click on the OK button. Here you go.